Yeah. So once again, very good morning, children. Let us start our class. So, Mokshita, you said you had 2 sweets for Deepavali, right? No?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So, can you tell me what is the half of 2 sweets?
One.
Half of 2 sweets.
One.
1. Very good. Okay. Fine. Yes. Who had only 1 sweet? Someone was saying Ritesh. Yes, Ritesh? Yeah, you had only 1 sweet. Can you tell me how to write half for that one? How much will you get for half of the sweet? What was that sweet?
Gulab jamun.
Gulab jamun. Okay. So what is the shape of the gulab jamun?
Circle.
Ah, is it circle? Circle is a band.
Ma'am, is it like a ball?
Yes.
Is it like a ball shape?
Yeah, yeah. It's like a ball. So we call it very good sphere. We call it sphere, right? So half of sphere you have that is the half of sweet. Yeah, sweet, right? Okay, fine. So let us enter into our topic. So half and quarter of a meter. Okay, so you have seen different shapes, and you have seen half of it, quarter of it, and also you have seen group of items. From that you have taken half, quarter, and all we have seen in the last class. Let us see today meter. If you have taken 1 meter, what is the half of it and what is the quarter of it? Hope you all know what is 1 meter is equal to in centimeters.
100, ma'am. 100.
Yes, very good. 1 meter is equal to 100
Half of the meter is 15 centimeters.
Yes, very good. So 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. This is well known to all. Now let us see what is half a meter. Half meter. Half meter is?
Half meter. 50 centimeters, ma'am.
How did you get 50?
Meters.
How did you get?
100. Half of the 100, ma'am.
Half of 100 is 50. Okay.
Paisa.
Huh?
Paisa.
What?
10 paisa 50, ma'am.
10 fives are 50, but we don't see in that way. Let me tell you, see, half of 100 is 50, you know very well, right? Suppose I give you half of 240 at a time. Do you know what is half of 240?
240. 240.
So directly, it's a bit difficult to tell, right? So just remember, when
120, ma'am.
very good. Who said?
120, ma'am.
Yeah. So, but how did you get that 120? Ritesh, very good. Mokshita, good. So, but how do you know how to get 120? Mokshita, who told you?
200 half is 100 and by dividing.
Yes.
20.
Very good, Ritesh. It's our oral calculation. So nice. But Mokshita, you said dividing. What did you divide?
240 divided by 2, ma'am.
Very good. So this is what you have to know. Oral calculation is very good, as Ritesh said, but during calculations, it may not be possible for all the numbers. So just let you know that whenever you are asked to find half of any number, you are supposed to divide that number by 2, right? So 100 divided by 2, or you can simply write 100 by 2. In any ways, it is the same, right? So 100 divided by 2, find out. This is very simple. All of you know. So 2 5s are 10, 0, and bring this 0 down. 2 zeros are 0. So 50, right? So 100, a half meter is 50 centimeters. Half meter is 50 centimeters. Next, what is that we know? Quarter. Quarter. How do you write quarter? How do you write quarter? 1 by 4. So what is 1/4 of a meter? 1/4 of a meter. What is 1/4 of a meter? 1/4 of a meter.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, I have one doubt.
Yeah.
What is 1/4 meter?
Centimeters, ma'am.
What is
What-
1/4?
What is
ma'am.
1/4
100 by
meter?
4.
Okay, fine. So let us take a scale. Let us suppose that this is 1 meter scale. 1 meter scale means how many centimeters should be there on this line?
100
100
centimeters.
centimeters. Very good. So you should have 100 centimeters on this line. Okay. You said half meter means 50 centimeters. So let us take half of this line. Suppose it is here up to here. Okay. So this must be how much?
Yes,
50 centimeters, right?
50 centimeter.
And this also must be 50 centimeters. Right?
50 centimeter.
Then
Yes.
see, let us relate this with a circle, what you have learned in the previous class. You have seen that if you take one complete circle and you divide it into two equal parts, this become half and this become half, right? Similarly, this line, this scale, you have divided into two equal parts. This became half and this became half, right? This is called half meter and this is called half meter. Or we can call it 50 centimeters. Is this clear? Till here it's clear?
Yeah.
Yes. Now, as Akshit asked, can you tell me, Akshit, what is quarter part of this circle? How do you get quarter here? 1/4 here.
We have to
Yes,
make
ma'am.
another
Can you
diameter.
repeat the question?
How do we get
Ma'am,
quarter
can
of
you
a
repeat the
circle?
question?
Yes, I am repeating. How do you get quarter of a circle?
Okay. Quarter of a
We have
circle.
to divide again.
1 by 4, ma'am.
1 by 4. So you have to make circle into 4 equal parts.
Yeah.
Right? So this becomes 1/4. This
Parts,
becomes 1/4.
yes. Yes,
This
ma'am.
becomes 1/4. And this
Yes.
becomes
1/4.
Similarly,
Each part 1/4.
very good. Similarly, we are dividing this 100 centimeter scale also into 4 equal parts. Clear? So this is all. This is already half. So this again half I am dividing into half. So what will be this part? How much will be this part, Akshat? Or anyone? I have divided this into
50 centimeters, ma'am. 25.
Ma'am, 20, ma'am.
Okay.
25.
No, I don't want any numbers.
25.
Listen, children.
25
Listen.
centimeters.
Yes, listen, children. I am asking you, if one line is divided into 4 equal parts, what is the fraction of this part?
1 by 4.
1 by
Very
4.
good. So 1 by 4. What is the fraction of only this part?
1 by 4 also.
Very good.
1 by
1 by 4. What is the fraction of this part?
1 by 4.
Very good.
ma'am.
So what is the
1 by
fraction of
4.
only this part?
1. It is
4.
also 1 by
1
4.
by 4. Right. So Akshat, did you understand what is quarter of a meter? 1/4. Because this
Yes.
is a 1 meter scale, I have divided 1 meter square into 4 equal parts. Then each part
Yeah.
is quarter meter. Clear?
Yes.
Others also
Okay.
hope this is
Okay,
clear. Now, how
Okay,
to
ma'am.
get the values in centimeters? It's very simple. Complete 1 meter is 100 centimeters. You have written here. Half a meter is 50 centimeters. This is also done. And you have learned that half means divided by 2. Right? Then coming to quarter of a meter. Then what to do? When it is 2, you are dividing it by 2. Now when it is 4, you have to divide it by 4 because you are dividing this into 4 equal parts. Right? So 100 divided by 4. 100 divided by 4. Now divide immediately and tell me what is 100 divided by 4.
25, ma'am.
Very good. It is 25 centimeters. It is 25 centimeters. So just remember that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters, half a meter is equal to 50 centimeters, quarter meter is equal to 25 centimeters, or 1/4 of a meter is equal to 25 centimeters. Is this clear? Is this clear?
Yeah.
So now,
Yeah.
very good. Okay, now, so seeing that, tell me, this you said 1/4, 1/4 meter. So what is in centimeters? 1/4 is?
Centimeters, 50 centimeters, 50.
Okay. So this is 25 centimeters. And this is 25 centimeters. And this is 25 centimeters. And this is 25 centimeters. Let us check what you have done is right or wrong. 25 plus 25, 50. 50 plus 25,
50.
75. 75 plus 25, 100. Got 100?
100.
Yes. Now listen to my question. Listen to me carefully. Half meter is 50 centimeters. 1/4 of a meter is 25 centimeters. Then what is 3/4 of a meter? 3/4 meter. 3/4 of a meter.
75 centimeters.
Yes,
75 centimeters.
very good, children. Now listen. How you got also I can show you. Here it is 3/4 means 1/4. Here, if you take 2 times, it is 2/4. If you take 3 times, it is 3/4. Right? So what are you doing? 1/4 part you are taking 3 times, then becomes 3/4. Isn't it? So 3/4, the meaning of it is you are taking 1/4 3 times. Times means multiplication. Right? Yes? Yes? So 3 times you are taking 1/4. Right? What is 1/4? See, this is for calculation part I am telling you. For 100 you told very well. It's good. But some other number whenever I give you how to calculate, you should know. Isn't it? For any number, if you want to make it half, you are dividing it by 2. Where any number given, if you want to find half, you are dividing it by 2. For any other, who is that Charan Raj? What are you doing? Any number. Here, children. So when any number given, who is that shouting? Yes, children. So for any number, if you want to find half of it, you are dividing it by 2. For any number, if you find quarter or 1/4 of it, you are dividing it by 4. And for any number, if you want 3/4 of it, first you divide it by 4, then multiply it by 3. 3/4. Clear? Is this clear, children? So let us find out. 3 into, what is 1/4? Already you have found 1/4 is 25. So 3 into 25 is 75 centimeters. So hope this is clear. Who is that? Charan Raj, what is your problem? Huh? Listen to the class, don't disturb. So once again, I am writing here. Just remember these. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. Half a meter or 1/2 of meter is equal to 50 centimeters. Quarter 1/4 meter is equal to 25 centimeters. And 3/4 of a meter is equal to 75 centimeters. Just remember this. Okay, we will have problems on this later. Clear? Is this fine? So now just listen to some sentences in your textbook. Half and quarter of a meter. Using your meter scale, cut a string of 1 meter. On the string, mark the length 1/2 meter, 1/4 meter, 3/4 meter. Just now we have seen on the scale, right? Hope that was clear. Now using your string, draw a line of length 1/2 meter on the floor. How many centimeters long is the line? So how many centimeters will the line will be long? If you are drawing 1/2 meter, How many
Meters.
centimeters?
50 centimeters.
50 centimeters. Okay. So next. Please mute where there is a disturbance. So half meter is equal to 50 centimeters. 1/4 meter is equal to 25 centimeters. 3/4 of meter is equal to 75 centimeters. So we have done this. Can you see that when we add half, 1/4 and 3/4, what do you get? Half plus 1/4 plus 3/4. Can you tell me what do you get? Children? So see here, you don't know how to add this, right? But you know the values of this. What is half? What is half?
Half means
Can you see the board
50.
clearly?
50 centimeters.
yes,
Yeah. Can you see the board clearly?
centimeter.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Half is 50 centimeters. Very good. What is 1/4?
25.
25 centimeters.
25. Okay.
25 centimeters, ma'am.
Not all this. You are asked to find 1/2 plus 1/4. So half is 50 centimeters. 1/4 is 25 centimeters. What is 50 plus 25?
75, ma'am.
75. So what is 75?
75
75 in fraction, what do you say?
centimeters.
In 75
3/4 meters. 75 centimeters.
3/4.
So
Ma'am,
here
3/4,
you can
ma'am.
understand that when you add half and quarter, you get 3/4, right? 3/4. Yeah? Is this okay? So now,
Yes.
let us go to the next part.
Okay.
Now, just a second, children. Let me share a part.
paper cutting.
Who is that? Where is that I'm getting this so much of sound? Yeah. Yes. So see this now. Next is sharing milk. Okay. So first you have a full bottle of milk, a bottle full of milk. And this bottle is full of milk and it holds 1 liter. It holds 1 liter. What is the capacity of this bottle? What is it, Charan Raj?
Liter, ma'am.
Charan Raj? Say properly, Charan. Yes. So the capacity of this bottle is 1 liter. Right? Now,
Yes.
milk is put into 4 bottles, 4 other bottles, so that each bottle has 1/4 liter of milk. Can you divide this 1 liter into 4 different bottles with 1/4 liter milk equally? Can you do that? Yes or no?
25 liters. Yes, ma'am.
25 liters.
liters, ma'am.
25? Suppose these are of equal capacity bottles. Okay, now when this is 1 liter, this is 1 liter. If you want to divide this 1 liter milk into 4 bottles with equal capacity, it means 1 liter can be written as
Divided by
1 by 4 liter plus 1 by 4 liter plus 1 by 4 liter plus 1 by 4 liter. Is that correct? Is this correct? It means
Yes, ma'am.
this part is to be divided into 4 equal parts. So let us suppose 1, 2, 3, and 4. So here you get 1/4, here you get 1/4,
Yes.
here you get 1/4, and here you get 1/4.
Yes.
So 4 1/4 gives you complete 1 liter. So here, when you divide it into 4 equal parts, right? So here 1/4. When you pour 1/4, it will cover this part, right? Similarly, here 1/4. Another 1/4 will be poured into this. Similarly, here 1/4. So 1 liter milk of this bottle can be poured into 4 bottles with 1/4 liter in each bottle. Is this correct? Is this correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Anything which I have to change here? Fine. Okay, now
No.
you have to remember or recollect the value. 1 liter is equal to how many milliliters? 1 liter is equal to
1000 milliliters.
1000 milliliters. 1000. So remember this. 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliters. This already you have learned. Now pouring milk into this you have learned. Let us find out what is half of 1000, quarter of 1000, 3/4 of 1000. Shall we do that? Yes?
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliters. Now can you tell me what is half a liter? Half a liter.
500 milliliters.
Yes. How do you get
500
that?
milliliters.
How do you get that? 1000 divided by 2. Divide and see. It is 500 milliliters. Right? Correct? Next, 1/4 of a liter. 1 by 4. How to find out this? 1 by 4. How to find, Akshat?
Divided by 4.
Very good.
20 divided by 4.
1000 divided by 4. 1000 divided by 4. Can any one of you divide and tell me the answer?
Milliliters.
How much?
250 milliliters.
Very good.
250
milliliters.
milliliters.
1000 divided by 4 is 250 milliliters. Next, can you tell me what is 3 by 4 liter? 3/4 of a liter. Who will tell me this one?
3, 4.
See, it's very simple.
75 milliliters.
How much?
5.
See, here you have seen half a liter, half and 1/4 becomes 3/4. So you can check it from here,
Okay.
half and 1/4. So 500 plus 250 will get 3/4. Isn't it?
Milliliters.
Huh?
750 milliliters.
Very good.
750 milliliters.
Yes, very good.
Milliliters.
750 milliliters. You can find out in different ways. 3 into 1/4 also you can do. 3 times of 1/4. So multiplied by 3, you will get 750 milliliters. Or you can find out half plus 1/4. Half is 500 plus 1/4 is 250. So you get 750 milliliters. In any way you can find out, but it is 750. Remember that. So hope this is clear now. So let us write down this also. Like we have written for measuring a scale. Let us write for measuring milk or liquid. So 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliters. Then half liter is equal to 500 milliliters. Then 1/4 of a liter is equal to 250 milliliters. Then 3/4 of a liter is equal to 750 milliliters. Fine? Clear? So now, this part I will send it to you.
Yes,
Group. How many, now answer quickly. How many milliliters of milk does each bottle have?
250 milliliters.
Very good. It is,
250 milliliters.
yeah, it is because 1/4 of a liter, 1/4 of a liter is poured in each bottle. It is 250 milliliters. Very good. Then Shan poured 1 liter of milk into 2 bottles so that the first bottle holds 3/4 liter and the other bottle holds 1/4 liter. Shade the level of milk in each bottle. Do you know how to shade 3/4 of a bottle? Do you know how to shade 3/4 of a bottle? Do you know? Yes or no? Don't know. First, you are dividing this bottle into 4 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4 equal parts you are dividing. 3/4 means how many parts you should shade? 3/4.
1 liter.
3 out of 4. 3 shades.
1 liter.
Yes, 3 parts you should shade. 1, 2, and 3. So
4.
this becomes 3/4. Right? So you have shaded 3/4, 3/4 liters in this bottle. Now again you are dividing this bottle into 4 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you have to shade 1/4 liters. How many parts I should shade?
1
One
One
part.
part.
So this is what you are. This is what you are asked. Shade the level of milk in each bottle. In one bottle 3/4 liters. In another bottle 1/4 liter. Correct? So can you shade like this in the bottles? Yes. Next question.
Yes, ma'am.
How many milliliters of milk does each bottle hold? So 3/4 liters means how many milliliters?
750 milliliters. 750 milliliters.
1/4. Very good. 1/4 liters means how many milliliters?
24 milliliters. 250 milliliters.
Not 25, 250 milliliters. So hope you can get answer for this also. Understood? Any difficulty here?
No, ma'am.
So, I will send you answers also like this. You can copy down, but hope you understood. This problem we did in the last class itself. Let us see this now. Balance the weight. Now coming to weight of items. So here, when you weight any item, can you tell me if it a hard substance, what are the units you use? What are the units? Kilogram. So 1 kilogram is equal to how many grams? 1 kilogram.
1000 grams.
Very good.
1000
grams is equal to 1000 grams. Now very simple, as you have done here. Half kilogram is equal to
500 grams.
very good, 500 grams. So here half liter is 500 milliliters. Here half kilogram is 500 grams. What about 1/4 kilograms? 1/4 of a kilogram? Quickly.
250.
Very good. 250 grams. Next, what is 3/4 of a kilogram? 750 grams. Very good. Very good. So same here. What you had here and here are same. Only the units are different, right? So once again, let us go through this. Please quickly check this. 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 grams. Half a kilogram is equal to 500 grams. 1/4 of a kilogram is 250, or quarter of a kilogram we call it as 250 grams. 3/4 of a kilogram is 750 grams. Now 1 liter is 1000 milliliters. Half a liter is 500 milliliters. 1/4 of a liter is 250 milliliters. 3/4 of a liter is 750 milliliters. 1 meter is 100 centimeters, half a meter is 50 centimeters, 1/4 of a meter is 25 centimeters, and 3/4 of a meter is 75 centimeters. Any doubt till here? Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Quickly answer these questions. See here, you are given balance the weight, 1 kilogram, 500 grams, 250 grams, 750 grams, 100 grams, 50 grams stones are given. Choose from the weights above to make the two pans equal. In how many ways can you do it? So now draw the weights in the empty pan. So you are given a pan. Shall I rub this? Hope all of you have noted down.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. You can rub that.
Okay. Hope you remember this. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes.
Now we have balancing pan. If you want to make it equal, when you have here 2 kilograms, then what is that I have to take here? Tell me, any one of you. Only one student should answer me. Yes.
500 grams plus 500
Listen.
grams and 1
Yeah.
kg.
Children,
Ma'am, 2000 milli. Ma'am, 2000 grams.
listen. I want answer from those whom I ask. Okay. One by one I will ask. Clear? So whom I ask, that person only should answer. Others don't answer. I can see here Grace Amulya first. Can you tell me, Grace, how much I should take here? I have been given here 100 gram stone, 200 gram stone, 50 gram stone also is given here, 250 is given here, 500. You know all the grams, so everything you can take. 1 kilogram. So using these, tell me what I should take. You can repeat also. Using this, tell me how much I should put here. Others, please come down. Ritesh, I think some sound from your side. Grace, quickly.
1 gram. 1 kg, ma'am.
1 kilogram. But here it is 2 kilograms.
200 grams, ma'am.
200. So 1 kilogram plus 200. How much?
500.
500 you want to take. Okay. So 1 kilogram. So instead of writing here, let me write here. So 2 kilograms is equal to, you want me to take 1 kilogram plus 500 grams, right? Right? So is this equal to 2 kilograms? Plus?
No. Plus 500 grams.
Very good. So one more 500 she wants to take. Okay. So she has taken 1 kilogram stone, then 1 kilogram, 500 grams, and also 500 grams. Then it will be equal because 500 plus 500 gives you 1 kilogram. 1 kilogram plus 1 kilogram, 2 kilograms. Very good, Grace. Next, I can see Siri Vanilla. Can you tell me, Siri Vanilla, in other way? I don't want like this. She has already given some other way of taking 2 kilograms.
2 kilograms. Yes, ma'am.
Siri Vanilla, give me. Tell me the answer.
1 kg.
Okay. 1 kg.
Addition 600.
How much?
1 kg.
How much?
600 grams.
But 600 grams I have not given here. You can take it, it's good. But I have not given that stone, so please tell me from this what I have given. Only from these.
Plus
1 kg. 1 kg.
Okay, Siri Vanilla, I'll come back to you. Okay, meanwhile, you check it up and get ready. I can see Mokshita next. Mokshita, she is not ready. Are you ready? Yes. Yeah, tell me quickly.
1 kg plus 250
Okay, 1 kg plus 250 grams. Okay.
500 kg అయిపోయింది.
plus 250
Yes. Say the units.
250 grams
Okay.
ఇది
500.
Do it yourself.
and 50 grams.
How much?
1 kg అయిపోయింది. ఈ 1 kg ఈ 1 kg
350
ఇది చెప్పండి.
I didn't get you. Once again, please.
50 grams
250.
50.
If you are saying this, there is some
50 grams and
Plus 500.
it's not very clear. Okay, anyway, she has given 1 kilogram. So 1 more kilogram I want. So she has divided 1 kilogram into 1/4, 1/4, 1/4,
Grams.
1/4, 4 times. So 250 plus 250 plus 250 plus 250, 4 times gives you 1 kilogram. So 1 kilogram plus 1 kilogram is 2 kilograms. Good. Next, Akshit. Quickly, I want to go to other problems.
ma'am.
Tell me.
Okay. Ma'am, take 1 kg.
I didn't get you. Once again.
Take 1 kg, ma'am.
Okay. All of you
Take
want
1
to take
kg.
1 kg. Okay.
And 100 grams.
100. Okay. 100 grams. Okay.
And 50 grams.
50. Okay. 50 grams. Okay.
And
You should be ready. It's not that now you start calculating. Akshat, I'll come back to you. Please check and be ready. Ritesh, if you can, yes, quickly, Ritesh.
ma'am,
Yes.
500.
Okay. Yeah, tell me the
500
units.
grams.
Okay.
Another 500 grams.
Okay.
And another 500 grams.
Okay. Yeah.
And another 500.
Very good. So 500 4 times gives you. So 500 plus 500, 1000. 500 plus 500, 1000. 1000 plus 1000, 2000. Good. So this is also, in this way, there are different ways of writing. Okay. So one more, if you can tell me, I will go to, see, I don't have much time. So I'm only writing another one. So I can write 750 grams. I did not give you. Okay. So I wanted you to select it from there. So 500 grams plus 250 grams gives you 750 plus again 250 gives you 1000 plus you can write it as 1000 1 kilogram. In any different ways you can write. It's up to you.
I'm
It's-
ready, ma'am.
Yes, Irivanala. Okay, let me stop this
1
part here.
kg.
1 kg. Okay.
Addition
Yeah, plus.
200 grams.
Okay.
200 grams.
Okay.
200 grams.
Okay. So 600 plus 200
200 grams.
plus 200. Okay, 1000. So very good. That is also another option. You can write it like this in different ways. Okay. So next is, in how many different ways can you balance this weight of 3/4 kilograms? So 3/4 kilograms. So now tell me for this 3/4 kilograms. Here it was 2 kilograms. You have given different options. Very good. Now for 3/4 kilograms. 3/4 kilograms. Yes. Those who have not given answer, now you tell me who did not get the chance here. Yeah. Tanvi Priya, are you ready?
Sure, Raju.
No answer. Pallavi, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Pallavi, tell me. 3/4 kilograms. How to write here? 3/4 means how much? In grams. 3/4 kilogram means how many grams?
500 addition 250, ma'am.
Sirivanala, wait. Pallavi, answer. 3/4 of a kilogram means how many grams? 3/4 kilograms is equal to how many grams? What happened, Pallavi? You are not attentive in the classroom? Yes, next, Varshita.
750. 750.
Yes, it is 750.
750.
So now 750 grams means how to write? Select it from here. You can write in different ways. You can write 500 plus 250, or you can write 100 plus 200. This became 300 plus 200 became 500 plus
Ma'am, 500 250.
or
500
200
and 250.
So 6 plus 1, 7 and 5. In this way, you can write like this, different ways. So this you can write it on your own, or anyways, I will send you the sheet also. So let us go to the next part. Pallavi, you should be attentive. What happened? Huh? Okay, next. So this is done. We have
Ma'am, you class, then class. Then also you tell.
so children here, check it up immediately. Just 5 minutes I'll take. Why is it wrong? Figure is shown something and they are saying that it is wrong. Can any one of you tell me why is this red color shading? It's given 1/4 is wrong.
Ma'am, because there are two boxes.
It's not two boxes, it's a single box.
It's bigger than that boxes.
Yes, it is not that, it is
That
that.
box is long, ma'am.
See, no, what answer you should give is, listen. Whenever you are writing fraction, you should remember that the parts must be equal in size. But here 4 parts which are given, they are not equal. First part is bigger, the remaining 3 are smaller, right? So you cannot say it as 1/4. Clear?
Yes.
Okay. Similarly, second one, the triangle is divided into 2 parts, but they are not equal parts, right? That is why you cannot say half.
Yes, ma'am.
Though the fraction you can 1/2 is written, but one part is shaded, but they are not equally divided. So that part 1/2 of this triangle is wrong. Clear? Is this clear, children?
Yes.
Yeah. So next one, practice time. Let us see the next question. Quickly answer me this question so that we can wind it up. I'm taking more time. There are 60 mangoes. So how many mangoes are there?
60, ma'am.
60.
60.
Half of them are ripe. Half of them are
30,
ripe.
ma'am.
Yeah, very
30.
good. Very good. 60 divided by 2 is 30. So 30 are ripened. How many mangoes are ripened then? How many?
Those are ripened.
How many?
30.
30 are ripened. Can you tell me? Yeah,
Ma'am.
very good. Children, listen. When 30 are ripened, can you tell me how many are raw mangoes which are not ripened?
30, ma'am.
Very good.
Mangoes are raw, ma'am.
Yes,
30
very good.
mangoes are raw.
Yeah, very good. So out of 60 mangoes, 30 are ripened, 30 are not ripened. Very good. So next, there are 32 children. How many children are there?
32.
Half of
2
them are
children
girls.
are there.
Half of them are girls. So can you tell me how many children are girls?
30.
60 members are girls, ma'am.
How many?
16 members are girls.
How did you get 16, Mokshita? Ritesh, can you tell me how did you get the 16?
32. 32 divided by 2, ma'am.
Yeah, it is 32 divided by 2. Or I expected Ritesh, you will tell me in a oral form what you calculate like.
Ma'am, I can tell in Telugu.
Tell.
Say it back.
Come on.
In 30, నేను 30లో హాఫ్ తీసుకున్నాను. 30 తర్వాత 32 ఉంది కదా, కాబట్టి అన్నిట్లో 32 ని హాఫ్ చేశాను.
Okay, very good.
2 లో హాఫ్ చేస్తే 1 వచ్చింది.
Very good. So 30 లో half ante 15, 2 లో half ante 1. So
16.
32 half 16, 15 plus 1. Very good. And the other way is 32 divided by 2. So nice of you children. So half of them are girls, means 16 are girls. Can you tell me how many are boys then?
16.
Very good. 16. So when half are girls and half are boys, it means 16 are girls and 16 are boys. So nice. Next, there are 20 stars. How many stars?
20, ma'am.
Quarter of them are red. Quarter. Quarter. Quarter, not half. Quarter. Quarter of them are red. Quarter means how much? What is the fraction?
Five,
quarter?
ma'am. Ma'am,
Very
five,
good.
five.
Quarter means 1/4.
1/4.
So 20 should be divided into 4 equal parts. So 20 divided by 4 is 5. So 5 are red. Okay. How many stars are red? How many are red?
Five, ma'am.
Five are red.
Five are red.
Red.
Okay. Out of 20, if 5 are red, what about how many stars are in different colors? How many are
15
not red?
stars are in different colors.
Very good. So
15.
15 are not red. 15 are not red. Fine. Okay.
Not red.
Ravi wants a pencil. It costs 2 rupees. What is the cost of a pencil?
2 rupees.
2
2 rupees.
ma'am.
He-
2 rupees,
now
ma'am.
listen.
2
Now-
rupees.
Listen. He gives 1 rupee coin, 1 rupee coin, 1 half rupee coin. Half rupee coin means how much? 50 paise.
50 paisa.
Yes, okay. And 1 quarter rupee coin. Quarter rupee coin means how much?
25, ma'am.
25 paise.
25 paisa, ma'am.
Is it enough? Is it enough? 1 rupee coin, 1 half rupee coin, 1 quarter rupee coin. Does it make
No,
2
ma'am.
rupees? No. So how
No,
much
ma'am.
more he should give?
Yeah.
How much more he should give?
1 more quarter of
1 quarter more. Very good. So
25
this,
paisa we need, ma'am.
okay, fine. So see, time is up. I cannot go further, but we have completed this chapter. I will send you some worksheets, children. Yeah, children, listen to me. We have completed the chapter halves and quarters. You have hope you have enjoyed well and understood the concept. So I will send you. Here, Grace, listen. Grace, sit properly and listen to me. Still. So I will send you the work. Clear? I will send you, copy down in your classwork notebook. I will send you 2 more worksheets, very simple worksheets I'm going to send you. Please do on that. Any doubts, ask me. Okay, children? So for today, this is the end. Any doubts, quickly let me know. Just 1 minute, I'll give you time. Yeah, quickly. Yeah, Akshat, what is your doubt? Quick. Yes, Akshat, any doubt? Yeah, no response. Hope fine. Okay, so I'm ending this session. Please do the work and send it to me. Okay.